Welcome to Alvinsa Studio. Today, we're heading to Japan to explore a beautifully crafted home made from three 20-foot shipping containers. Blending minimalist design with efficient use of space, this container home reflects the harmony of modern architecture and Japanese simplicity. Join us as we uncover the smart layout, thoughtful details, and unique charm that make this compact home truly stand out. Let's dive in. Container homes are becoming increasingly popular around the world, with America, Japan, and South Korea leading the way in this innovative form of architecture. These homes utilize shipping containers, which are repurposed and reimagined as functional and beautiful living spaces. In Japan, container homes have gained traction due to their versatility and affordability. The use of shipping containers as building blocks allows for quick and cost-effective construction. Additionally, container homes offer an eco-friendly option for those looking to reduce their environmental impact. One inspiring example of a container home in Japan is a residence made with three 20-foot shipping containers. The home features two containers that make up the residential area, while the third container was used for the sloped roof area. The sloping roof provides both height and depth to the space. Additionally, by laying the containers on their sides, a sizable floor area can be created. This design also serves as a countermeasure against snow accumulation during winter months, a concern in many areas of Japan. The shipping container home was designed to be both comfortable to live in and visually appealing. Large sliding windows create an open and airy feeling, while wood flooring adds warmth and texture to the space. The exterior has an industrial yet inviting look, preserving the original appearance of the container. This container home was intended for use as a second house or vacation rental, offering an affordable and unique retreat for city dwellers. The interior is functional and efficient, featuring a small kitchen and bathroom. They can be constructed quickly and easily, making them an ideal choice for those looking to build a second home or vacation rental. Additionally, container homes provide a unique and visually striking living space that is sure to attract attention. In conclusion, container homes offer an exciting and innovative option for those looking to build a new home or vacation rental. The container home in Japan provides an inspiring example of how these homes can be both functional and beautiful. With their affordability, sustainability, and versatility, container homes are sure to continue to gain popularity around the world. Why are container homes becoming more popular around the world? Container homes are a creative and practical solution that provide unique and visually striking living spaces. They can be affordable, sustainable, and versatile, making them appealing to those looking to reduce their environmental impact. Container homes can be easily constructed and customized, allowing for efficient and functional designs that suit a wide range of needs. With their ability to serve as second homes or vacation rentals, container homes also offer a unique and cost-effective way to create holiday or rental properties. As container homes continue to gain popularity around the world, we can expect to see even more innovative and inspiring designs in the future. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the elegant container home in Japan, built from 3 20-foot units. A perfect example of minimalism, functionality, and beauty all in one compact design. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Alvinsa Studio for more unique and inspiring container home ideas from around the world. See you in the next video.